Brenda. The Employability Camp is designed to support non-PMETs job seekers like yourself in your job search journey. Here, we will cover about resume writing, where you will be shared about the latest resume writing tips. Secondly, we'll share about interview skills, where you'll be adequately prepared for interviews. And finally, with all this, you'll be able to gain confidence in your job search journey.
Hi, I'm Jason. Yes, today I'd like to share my journey. First of all, I'm a returning Singaporean from Vietnam. I've been away from Singapore for about 25 years. It's a big challenge when I choose to come back in this year, end of May. And luckily, I met up my E2I, the career coach, have signed me into Employability Camp by E2I in the month of August, whereby I learned to write a good resume. From there onwards, I learned the very important thing, how you got into a job is your resume, how to write a good resume. I used to have a 9 pages resume. Those were our days with those very long experience and trying to prove yourself, but not now. People from this training, from the coaches and training, we learned that people would not spend so much time on this kind of resume. And I managed to cut down my resume into 3 pages, actually 2 pages now, whereby I'm able to secure a job that I dream to. So I think this E2I and with the coaches' guidance, we are able to get what we want, in the sense that don't give up your hope. Believe yourself. With my age, when people were saying that nowadays people employ younger age, because I'm now 57. But well, you see, I still got my dream job as a property manager, and I have to thank you, E2I, introducing this program to me, and I'm able to do what I want today. Thank you very much.